Good morning. Right now, my partner and I are using Sublime Text for our codes, and here's what we are going to do. First, we have to create a file. We have to make sure that the file is saved under the images that we are going to use for our website. And as you can see, it is already saved as jhp.html. After which, we have to create a title, which is Gearheads Performance. And the good thing about Sublime Text is it would also help the user to check and to see that the opening and closing tags are there. So let's go ahead and create the body. And big help to W3 Schools for the BG color we have here. And for our header, we also use the opening tag and closing tag div, which is for division, which also which positions the header in the tabs that we have. So we just have to make sure that the source of our images has the same file name where we have saved it for our picture. It is saved under logo.png. And we have here the height, which is 50%, and width at the same time 80%. Now we have to position the buttons that we have, which is for home, car accessories, and about us. But we also have to make sure that the link destination of this particular tabs are there. Okay. Then we go ahead and create section which separates the header from the table or distinguishes the header from the table. We just have to copy the color that we have under the header, which is, okay, as you can see, number sign 7E, 7E, 6E. And we have used here table and TR for table rows, and another opening and closing tag TD, which indicates the table data. Inside the table data, you can see here the images that we have, and again, we have to make sure that the file name that we have saved under the folder, a specific folder that we have, is same with the codes that we are going to use. So in this particular case, we have C4, which should be named as, or for the source of it, c4.jpg. Same will follow for our auto detailing and at the same time for our body shop codes. This will happen, or this should be done for our homepage. And for our homepage, we have to make sure or double check that everything has the opening tag and closing tags for it to run. But to make sure of it, we have to open it or right click and open it, or open in browser. Click on F5 to refresh. But now in our case, the images are a bit big, so it would take a few minutes before it will fully load. So can we just wait? After opening or checking if the particular tabs in it are in its right place, we could go ahead and continue with the auto detailing and the body shop. Just make sure that all necessary opening and closing tags are there. And that will be for our homepage.